guys, welcome to my channel Kiga, wherein you can always find some amazing stuff on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So if you are someone who likes to be on the top of the game when it comes to your skincare, hair care, wellness and wardrobe, this is the channel for you. You know, Versace once said, perfume is what puts that final finishing touch to elegance. So if you're someone who completely agrees with this statement, someone like me who cannot leave the house without wearing a perfume, then you're gonna absolutely love today's video, because today I'm reviewing a perfume. The name of the perfume is Diamonds and Emeralds. It's a perfume by Elizabeth Arden. And not only that, I'm also going to share with you some pro tips, some hacks with the help of which your perfume can stay for really long. So first things first, let me show you how the perfume looks like. See, it comes in a nice green emerald box. Let me open this up for you. Wow, I love the golden hue. I don't know, there's always something nice about goldenish hue. I especially like the Swarovski strip that they have given it, next to the lid. I somehow feel it makes it look very, very exotic and classy. So every time I see it stationed on my dressing table there, I'm like, wow, this is such a pretty little thing out there. I want to wear it all the time. And this has literally become my everyday perfume. So what attracted me to this perfume was its intense flowery and this feminine kind of a scent. It's very sweet and fruity as well, which I really love. You might find it very funny, but whenever I wear such a scent, I somehow feel very classy and edgy. So definitely it's my favorite kind of perfume. But technically speaking, on a serious note, I find it has some amazing ingredients, especially the low notes of flowers like gardenia and jasmine makes it very, very mesmerizing for an aromatherapy junkie like me. I remember when I tried this perfume for the first time, I was really amazed because it stays for so long. I think it's, when I tried this perfume for the first time, I was really impressed because it stays for so long. I think it stays for like good 8 to 10 hours. And I remember I was at this friend's party. I had just started wearing this perfume the other day, and so I was at this friend's party, and I don't even remember, but I think at least like half a dozen people actually asked me, what perfume are you wearing? You're smelling so good. So I was like, wow, that's really cool. So why I think you should give this product a try, apart from its, of course, like an incredibly bewitching aroma, which is something I've been harping about. I also feel it's very, very lightweight, easy to carry in your purse with you all day long. Like there have been days where I've been able to carry it because see, it comes in a packing of 100 ml, which weighs like 1 pound, which is not so bad, right? So I think I would rate it like a 9 on 10, looking at its high-end ingredient, intoxicating smell, and how it lingers with me all day long. I think it's a great purchase for people who are looking for an authentic branded perfume this season, or maybe if you're just looking for a nice gift to pick up for someone, then again, like it's a thumbs up from my side. And now I want to share some tips with you. These are some easy hacks which I've been trying off lately while applying the perfume. So these really help me to make the perfume, the fragrance stay longer. I feel it stays with me all day long. So you can try these out. First things first, what you need to do is always apply the perfume immediately after taking the shower, right? And even better, apply it immediately after applying a moisturizer on the skin. So typically here's what I do. I take my shower, immediately apply moisturizer within the next few seconds, and within the next few seconds I apply the perfume as well. So overall I think the skin has better retention power when it's still damp, still moist, still hydrated. So that's the reason the perfume, the fragrance stays longer with us. The other thing you can also do, an easy one, whenever you are spraying the perfume, make sure you definitely spray or dab some on your pulse points. It makes hell lot of difference. And if you're comfortable, before applying that perfume on your specific pulse points, dab some Vaseline, which also goes a long way in retaining that fragrance for all day long. Guys, please try these tips out, and I'm really curious if these tricks work for you as well. So once you've tried, please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Please do mention I tried these tips and for how long did your perfume stay. So please mention I tried these tips and my perfume stayed for like 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours. So that is something I look forward to. Okay guys, that's all from my side. I hope you liked my today's video. If you did, please click on the like button. Also, don't forget to share it with your family, friends. If you want to check out more such videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and fitness, please do subscribe to my channel Kiga. Don't forget to click on the bell icon, so you know what happens is every time I upload a video, that way you get a update as well. Okay guys, it's bye for now. I look forward to come back with yet another useful video for you guys soon.